Hello everyone, welcome back again. Guys, this video is going to be very useful for all the HR departments of the companies because here I'm going to show you how you can send salary slips to all your employees monthly on WhatsApp account of your employees automatically. Yes guys, here you just have to enter the salary details and the employee details in a spreadsheet, and after that a salary slip is going to be generated automatically and will be delivered to your employees automatically on WhatsApp. You need not to do anything manually, so it will surely save a huge amount of a time of HR department people, and they can work on different other things and important things, right? Let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here I am using this Google Sheets application to add the salary details or the employee details. You can use any other spreadsheet application as well, like Airtable. So here you just have to add the details here in a row, and after that a salary slip is going to be generated for that employee whose data you have entered in a row automatically using Google Docs application, and that same salary slip is going to be delivered on the WhatsApp account of that employee, right? And to make this happen guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So to set up this automation, you have to start from here, from the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect, and from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a relevant name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as send salary slips. Send salary slips on WhatsApp, right? After that, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here, and on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automations work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or starts this workflow. As in this use case, the trigger would be adding of the employee's data here in this spreadsheet will act as a trigger for this workflow. Okay, so as I'm going to add the data of my employee and other details here in a row, that is going to start this workflow, the trigger this workflow, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the salary slip, automatically create a salary slip and then send the salary slip to the WhatsApp account of the employee, right? So first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose Google Sheets application. All right, and the trigger event would be new or updated spreadsheet row, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL guys, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with our Google Sheet, and after that we are going to fetch the data of this connection here in this response. So you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. So let me show you how exactly you can do this. First of all, you need to go to your spreadsheet, and here you have to click on extensions, and from this add-ons option click on get add-ons, and from this Google Workspace marketplace window you have to search for an add-on which is called, so guys, from here you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and you have to install this add-on here. As you can see, it is written install. That means I have already installed it, so I did not to do it again. So once you install it here, after that you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. After installing the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on, refresh the spreadsheet, and after that when you click on extensions, you will find the Pabbly Connect webhooks option available in the drop down. From here guys, you have to click on this initial setup. From Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on initial setup, and in the initial setup you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column field. Okay, so in this webhook URL field you have to copy and paste this webhook URL, and here in this trigger column field you have to enter the last data entry column or the final data entry column of your spreadsheet. So the final data entry column is here. Let me show you. So guys, when we start filling the data of any employee and its salary, we are going to start from the column A, then we'll come to B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and at the last, finally, we are going to enter the salary month here in the P column. And as I'm going to enter the data in P column, that is going to trigger the workflow and the data will be sent to my workflow. Okay, so P column is our trigger column, right? So I'm going to click on extensions again from Pabbly Connect webhooks initial setup. Let the trigger column be P column, and let me erase this webhook URL field, and I'm going to copy this URL and let's paste it here in this field like this, right? And you can see as I have copied this webhook URL here, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So guys, this means now we have to perform a test submission and we are going to capture some test data from our spreadsheet to here. Alright, so to get the test data from our spreadsheet, you can go to spreadsheet, and from this initial setup only, you will find this send test button. So by clicking on send test, you can send the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet as a test data to your workflow. Let me show you. I am clicking on send test button, guys, and you can see the test data sent successfully is written here, and the data is this. The data is of Rakesh Sahu. The details are these. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we got the data of Rakesh Sahu. And here you can see we got the details as this. The employee name is Rakesh Sahu, the email, the phone number, the employee code, and all the things related to the employee are here, right? So we got the test data. Now with the help of this test data only, we are going to move forward. And what we want now, we want to create a salary slip from a template document that you have created in Google Docs application. For that to happen, I'm going to use this action step, and here I'm going to connect Google Docs application, guys. You can see here, this is my Google Docs application, and here I have created this template to generate automatic salary slips for my employees. And here in this template, you can see we have put these things like month in double curly braces, employee code in curly braces, name, email, mobile, designation, department, and we have many things here. So these are the variable tags that we have added here in this template. So guys, these are the variable tags. That means when we are going to auto generate salary slips, these tags are going to be filled automatically with the data that you have here in your spreadsheet. Okay, so the data will be filled here automatically in a newly generated salary slip. So to get these things filled, we are going to connect Google Docs application here in this action step. So search for Google Docs. Here it is. After that, select the action event as create a document from template. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Google Docs. And from this window, select the account by which you are accessing Google Docs application. Select the Google account. Alright, and here it is asking for the additional access and to make this connection. So just click on continue from here. Alright, so you can see we are getting connected here. Right, so we are connected, and now it is asking for the template's name. So this is my template. The name of my template is salary slip template final. Okay, so you have to search for this template from this list. Okay, so in this list it will show you all the templates or the documents that you have created in Google Docs application. From here you have to search for your template. My template is this. You can see salary slip template final. So I'm selecting this. Alright, and now it is asking for the new document's name. So guys, now you have to give a name to this document. So I'm going to name this document on the name of my employee. Alright, so this is my name. This is the test data we have, and here we have received this employee name label. So I'm going to use this label and this employee code label also to give a name to this template. So guys, to create a unique name for the document, we are going to use this name and the code. Okay, so just come here and click on this field and from this Google Sheet step, it will show you this step here in the drop down, and from here only you can map the name. After that, put an underscore, and I am mapping the employee code. Okay, that's how you can give a unique name. And now it is asking for new documents location. So guys, here you have to select a folder from your Google Drive to get the new document saved in a place. Okay, so this is my Google Drive. So this is a folder I have in my Google Drive. You can see salary slip final. So in this folder, I am going to save the newly generated salary slips. So you need to select this folder from this list. Just click here and it will show you the list of all the folders that you have in your drive. So I am selecting this one, salary slip final. Now it is asking for the month, employee code, name, email, and many things. So these are nothing but the tags that we have added here in our Google Docs application. So as you select the document template here, it will start showing this. It will start showing these tags here. So as you connect Google Docs application and select this template here in your workflow, it will start showing you these fields, which are nothing but the variable tags that you have in your template. Okay, so now to get these variable fields or the tags filled automatically in a new created salary slip, we need to map the values of these tags here in workflow. Okay, so let me map all these things. So to map the data, you just have to click here and you will see this Google Sheet step in the drop down, and from here you can see the test data that you have received from your spreadsheet. So from here only I'm going to map the things that I need to enter in my Google Docs, in my document template actually. So here it is asking for the month of the salary. So I'm selecting the month here from this month of salary label. Okay. Similarly, you can map all these things. So let me map all these things here. So guys, I have mapped all the required data here. Now, when I'm going to click on save and send test request, a new salary slip document is going to be created and will be saved here in this Google Drives folder. Let me show you. Let's come back to the workflow and I'm clicking on save and send test request here. And you can see this is the response we have received, and in this response you can find this document ID. This means a new document is generated. Let us check in our drive if we got a new document, and here you can see a new document got created here with this name Rakesh Sahu underscore the employee code. And let me open this, and here you can see in place of the variable tags that we have in our document, we got these things placed: the month, the code, the name, the email, and all these things are placed properly here in this salary slip. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen, guys. So we have generated the salary slip and get it saved in the drive. Now I want to send this slip on WhatsApp account of this employee. For that, we need to have a link of this salary slip first. So to generate a shareable link of that salary slip automatically, I'm going to click on this plus icon, and here I'm going to connect Google Drive application because we have saved the created document in my drive. So now select Google Drive from this action step, and the action event would be share a file with anyone. Here is the option, share a file with anyone. Then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Drive. Right, and from this window you have to select the Google account by which you are accessing that drive. So select the Google account, and after that give the required additional access to Pabbly Connect to make this connection. Just click on continue from here, and you can see we are connected again. And now here it is asking for the file's ID. So guys, here you can see in the previous step only, when we have created the document, it has given us this document ID in this label. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here in this file ID field to get some shareable links generated. So to map the ID here, you just have to toggle this map button to on, right? Then erase this, and from the second step in the drop down, from the second step you will find the document ID like this, map it, right? So after mapping the ID, click on save and send test request, and in the response you will find these you will find the permission to share the file, and you will find the shareable links like this. So this is a web view link, this is RTF link, HTML link, PDF link, we have many links here. Okay, so we are going to use this only to send this file to WhatsApp account of the person. So to send the file, just click here on this plus icon, and from the section step, search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. So guys, WhatsApp Cloud API is recently launched by Facebook to provide access to WhatsApp's API to let businesses connect with their customers and other people on WhatsApp. All right, so you have to set up your own WhatsApp's Cloud API first before accessing that Cloud API feature here in this action step. So you can watch the videos that we have pasted in the description, from where you can learn how you can set up your own Cloud API, and after that you can select it here, right? And the action event would be send template message. So you can check the videos now and you can use this here. So after selecting the action event, click on continue, and from here select add new connection option if you are making the connection with Cloud API for the very first time, and then it will ask for this permanent access token of your Cloud API setup, the phone number ID and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about these things and how to find these things and how to set up the Cloud API, you from here only you can just click here on this here word you can see, and you will reach this page, the forum page of Pabbly Connect, forum.pabbly.com, and here you will find the videos on the complete setup of Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. You will find the video on how to generate the permanent access token of the API, and here you will find the instructions along with the screenshots to make the connections with WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. And here you will find all the things related to Cloud API and Pabbly Connect connections, right? So you can check these and follow these steps. And for now, for these things, let me show you my API setup, guys. Guys, I am under Meta for Developers page, and here I have created this application. You can see in the admin apps, my Connect message app. So I'm opening this, and here I have set up my own Cloud API. And from this left hand side panel, you can see this WhatsApp option here. So let me click here. So on this getting started page, guys, you will get temporary access tokens first, and these tokens expires in 24 hours. So to continue the running of your automation, you have to generate the permanent access token, and you know how to do that from this forum page that I have shown you. In the forum page, you can get this video, and from here you can learn how to generate the permanent token. And after that, here you will find this send and receive messages section, and here is the phone number ID, guys. So just copy this ID and paste it here in your workflow in this field like this. And similarly, you will find the WhatsApp account ID also here. Just copy this and paste it here like this. And after generating the permanent access token, you have to paste it here. And after that, click on save, and you'll be connected with Cloud API or WhatsApp. So guys, generating the permanent access token is a one-time task only. Once you get your permanent token generated, you have to keep it safe, and you can use the same token to make the connections again with your workflows. And guys, making the connection by this process, by selecting add new connection option and filling these three things, is also a one-time process. Once you made the connection by this process, after that, if you want to make the connection again in any different workflow, you can use that existing connection. Okay, I can show you. I have already connected with my Cloud API in a different workflow previously. So now I can choose that existing connection. So here I'm selecting existing connection option. And from this connections list here, you can select any of the existing connections that you have. So you can save these connections like these. And here you can see I have this WhatsApp Cloud API final connection that I have created at this date and time. So I'm selecting this. And now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are getting connected again, right? So this is how you can connect, and here it is asking for the template's name, the message template. All right. So before selecting the template, first let me tell you what templates are. So this is the template section. You can see here on the getting started page, you will see this option send messages with the API. And here you will find this text to create your own message template. Click here. So you have to click on this here word and you will reach this page. And guys, here you can see all the templates that I have created to send messages. So message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you can use to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp at once, right? So you have to create such message templates here, and let me show you the template I am using for this purpose. So for this purpose, I have created a template which is here. Let me show you. Here it is, salary slip. All right, so you can see the name of my template is salary underscore slip, and this message template will appear on WhatsApp like this. In the preview, you can see, hi Roger Binney, here is your salary slip for the month of May. And here you can see in the header section, I'm going to send the document, that the salary slip that I'm creating automatically, right? So you can have a header in your message, you can have a message body like this. So let me show you how you can create a message template. And here you can see in the message body that I have created, I have this 1 in double curly braces, 2 and the 3 in double curly braces. So these are called the variable tags or the body fields of the message. So guys, there are certain things which we want to change with every new message, like the name of the person to whom I'm sending the message, and in this case the month of the salary, and here the name of your company. All right, so to get these things changed dynamically with every new message, you need to map the values of these body fields or variables inside your workflow. Okay, let me first show you how you can create a template. So I'm canceling this and here you can see I have this create message template button. Click on it. Here you will find the categories in which you can create the templates, like the transactional category, marketing category, and the OTPs. I'm selecting marketing here, for example, and now you can give a name to this template like this. You can select the language in which you want to send the message like this, and after that, from the top right corner, click on continue. And here you can see if you want to add a header, you can select the header options from here. You can send a text in the header, or you can attach any media like an image, a video, or a document. Here in the body box, you can enter the main body or the main message that you want to send. So here you can put the message like hello XYZ, whatever the name is. And if you want to add the variable tags here or the body fields, just click here on this add variable button and a tag will be added here in your message. So you have to put these tags in proper places in your message to get these things changed automatically in every new message. So after creating your whole template, you just have to click on submit here and submit it. Right now I'm canceling this. And as you submit the template, Facebook is going to review your template and approve it, and it will just take a few minutes. So after getting the template approved, you can use those templates to send messages on WhatsApp, right? So I'm coming back to the workflow, and here I'm going to select my template which I'm using for this purpose, the name of which is salary underscore slip. Select it, and you can see the language code and the template ID got automatically filled up. No need to do anything here. And in the recipient mobile number field, you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you want to send this message, right? So guys, you will get the WhatsApp number details of the person here in the first step in the test data. So in the test data, we have received the employee details and we have received this mobile number label also. And here is the number. So I'm going to map this mobile number label in this step, in the Cloud API step. And to map it, just click here and you will find this Google Sheets option. And from here, map this number like this. And you have to enter the mobile number or the WhatsApp number with a country code. I have entered 91 for India. You have to enter your country code in your spreadsheet so that you can map it here, right? After that, here it is asking for the header documents URL. So in the header, I want to place the document, the salary slip that I generated. So to enter the header document URL, I'm going to use this previous step in which we have created the shareable links of my document with the help of Google Drive. Okay, and I'm going to map this label here, the PDF label, here in this header document field. Okay, so just click here and from this Google Drive step, map the PDF label. map the PDF link here like this. All right. And in the header document name, you have to map the name of your document file, and you will get the name here from this Google Drive step only. Now it is asking for the 3 body fields. Let me show you the template. And our template is here. And in the template, you can see we have this first body field in which we are going to place the name of the person, the month of the salary in the second, and the third, the name of the company. All right, let's do this. So for the first body field, map the name. For the second body field, map the month of the salary. Salary month is here, right? And in this last body field, you can enter the name of your company. So I'm manually putting here Pabbly. All right, so you can put the name of your company here. And the thing that is going that you enter here manually like this is not going to change. So in this use case, the company's name is going to be the same. That's why I've entered it manually. Right now, you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number, guys. So I have the access of this WhatsApp number, so I can show you how the message is going to look like. So I am clicking on save and send test request, guys, and you can see this is the response we have received. Now let me show you the message. So guys, this is a new message we have received. You can see, and you can see here it is written, "Hi Rakesh Sahu, here is your salary slip for the month of May 2022." And you can see we have a PDF file attached here which I can download, and you can see in this PDF file we have the same salary slip that we have attached. You can see that we have attached here in the workflow. Let me show you like this, and this is the same salary slip that I have created here and I have saved here in my Google Drive. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. So you have to connect Google Sheets in the trigger. After that, fetch the test data, then map the data here in the actions tab where we have connected Google Docs application to auto generate a salary slip document. After that, make that document shareable with the help of Google Drive application and connect it in the actions tab, and get the shareable links, and then share the link on WhatsApp using a WhatsApp message template and using the WhatsApp Cloud API. All right. So guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when you are going to enter the salary details here, and let me tell you one thing more. You can see I have opened the spreadsheet here, and in this spreadsheet, just click this in the initial setup, just click on submit. And when you enter the data here, you have to remember one thing more, click on extensions, and let's say if you enter the details of your salaries here every month, and you want to send the salary slip at once to all your employees together. So for that, what you can do, just enter the details here, and from this extensions option from Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on this send all data button. So when you click on send all data, the workflow will trigger, and it is going to auto create documents and start sending it to your employees automatically. Okay, so you can use this send all data button from here. So guys, we are done here now. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.